YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, man. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the channel, join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are up right around that 650 mark. I actually didn't check. Usually I check before I start doing my video so I can make sure I get the number exactly right. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And hurry up and load. At the time of me recording this video, we're at 645 subscribers, man. Thank all of you that have been joining the channel. Thank all of you that have been showing support, leaving comments, leaving likes, all of that. One more time for the new people, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Help us hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. Also, since you're here, go ahead and hit that like button, man. It's free. Really helps the channel, helps with the algorithms, helps the videos get shown to new people, especially those of you that always come and watch the videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting to pick up on patterns. Some of you are always watching the videos. Thank y'all so much. Hit me up on Instagram about it, leaving comments, all of that. I really appreciate it. Just make sure you hit that like button. Really helps with algorithms and helps potentially bring new members to the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then, last but not least, follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You would have seen me post these up on the Instagram already by now. But that's enough talking. Let's get into the video. So, really quick, before I get into the video, man, shout out to the homie It's Boat Kicks. You know what I'm saying? One of the subscribers to the channel. Comments on a lot of the videos. And I know the last time I did a review of these shoes, I got them with the whole, you know what I'm saying, I faked having these and pulled out the Shaq Foods. That there's a reason why I actually showed you the shoe before the intro of this one, so that way you guys know. I mean, I do it with a lot of my unboxings, but that way you guys know for sure that this is the shoe that I'm going to show you. But before we get into it, you know we got to look at the box. And really quick right here, I'm going to give a shout out to the guys over at Hype Room. I'm going to leave the description down below. I do have actually a playlist where I have different shoes that I reviewed from them, and actually going in there, you know what I'm saying, and reviewing the actual shop, as well as doing an unboxing of one of their mystery boxes. So shout out to those guys, because that's how I got these. This is not a personal pair, but they let me hold these for a review. So, and that's another thing. At It's Boat Kicks, I know you're saying, oh, you're going to get him, you're going to get him. Still didn't get him, man. Not going to get him. This is not a personal pair. This is just a pair I got for the review. So let's get into it, man. So you got your box. Regular Jordan 12 box. As you can see, my favorite, like, Jordan box out of, you know what I'm saying, the regular Jordan boxes. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about this box. The one that you like, the Jordan 5 and Jordan 6 boxes, the Jordan 4 boxes, Jordan 1 boxes, are all the same. You got the black box with the, what's it called? The black box with the gold Jumpman, or the silver box that you get for something like a 13. This is my favorite box. Enough talking about the box, man. Let's get into it, man. Right here we have a Air Jordan 12 Retro, and the color is black, university gold, and black. And let's get, this is a size 9, like I said, not a personal pair. I already have the sneakers out of the box, but one thing that is a little interesting that I noticed is, instead of regular white tissue paper, you get this kind of brown-ish tissue paper, kind of matches the inside of the box. So that was something I thought was cool. But let's get into the shoe, man. Enough talking about the box and everything else. Bam! Here it is, man. The Jordan 12 University Gold and Black, or the Pittsburgh Steelers, or the Pittsburgh Pirates, whatever you want to call it, man. You're going to see, I guarantee, man, you're going to go out to the mall, you're going to go out to functions, you're going to go out to a restaurant, and you're going to see a bunch of people wearing these with this outfit right here. You know what I'm saying? Similar to when the, you know what I mean, when the Bread 11s came out, and everybody was wearing the Bread 11s black jeans and a flannel. You know what I'm saying? You're going to see a bunch of people wearing Ben Roethlisberger jerseys, Pittsburgh Pirate jerseys, you know what I'm saying, different Steeler jerseys. But man, these are tough now. Yo, I'm not going to lie to you. After having them in hand, like, yo, if things were different, if I wasn't trying to save up money for certain things, this is a shoe that I definitely would have went after. Maybe, I don't see the resale price on these doing anything but going up. Right now they're going anywhere around $300 to over $300. I don't see the price going down necessarily anytime soon, but yo, the Jordan 12 is my favorite Jordan silhouette, so don't be surprised if I do end up getting these in the future. I do like how the black and yellow looks. I just love the color blocking of the Jordan 12, man. So let's get into it. So this is kind of a replica, or the general release version of a Gary Payton PE, where we do get the glove and Gary Payton's number on the shoe. But all that aside, man, this is just a dope shoe in and of itself, by itself. The leather quality on here is really good. Now, I know that was one thing that a lot of people were worried about, because sometimes they do mess around with the materials on the 12, and to me, the Jordan 12 is one of the shoes, one of the silhouettes that I only want to see in its original materials. That nice tumbled leather all the way around the shoe, and then that nice, like, I don't even know what to call this type of leather, speckled or whatever type of leather you want to call that comes on this mud guard here. You got your OG flu game color blocking, because this is the same color as the rest. This little Jumpman tab right here, I don't know how well you guys can see that. And then on the tongue you have your TW03, your 2-3 down there. And yo, somebody needs to let me know if I think, what year did the 12s come out? In 97? Someone needs to let me know if in 1997 on a pair of Jordan 12s it said quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever on the originals. Because the reason why I'm asking that is people get upset when someone like Kobe Bryant or someone like LeBron James proclaims themselves as the greatest basketball player of all time while they're still playing, right? Yo, there's no better way of doing it than having it written on your sneaker as you're playing. So I want to know if the OG Jordan 12, I've never seen a pair from 97, but did it say quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever? Because if it did, that means Jordan was wearing these while he was playing, while the flu game was happening. It said, yo, I'm the greatest player ever. And there was a bunch of other people in the NBA also wearing Jordan 12s. Just off the top of my head, I know there's a picture of him and Scotty both wearing the taxis together in the same game. But yo, absolutely love the Jordan 12. Like I said, my favorite Jordan 12, or my favorite Jordan silhouette. Now, the most interesting part of this shoe to me that I think is going to make this shoe honestly get better with age is how they did the outsole here. So if you look at the outsole, yes, it's yellow, but it looks like a little bit different yellow than the rest of the yellow you get on the shoe, or I guess gold that you get on the shoe. And the reason for that, I don't know how well you can see it, is it's a little bit translucent. So it's a little bit, barely a little bit of a lighter yellow, and I think this shoe is going to get better with age because for whatever reason, what type of leather they use, not leather, whatever type of rubber they use on Jordan 12 outsoles, it tends to yellow. And obviously this is a yellow shoe, so I think with it being a little lighter right there, having that translucent, over time it'll yellow, get less translucent, mat out, and match perfectly with the rest of the shoe. Just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, here's a 12 that I have from, what did these come out, 2015 or 2016? This is my favorite Jordan 12 that I have. As you can see, I've worn them a lot, but I try to keep them as clean as possible. But just as you can see, this white no longer matches. This white is turned into kind of a sail off-white with the yellowing just over time. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I keep these pretty clean. It's just something the yellows. But I think once these start to yellow, it'll match the rest of the shoe perfectly. It'll make it solid. One thing that I think is really dope that a lot of people are overlooking. But as far as the rest of the shoe, man, there's not too much else to really talk about. Absolutely great quality. Love these. The one thing that I heard some people saying they could have did was make the eyelets up here yellow or gold, but I think that would have been too much. I like the black and yellow color blocking, just two colors. Keep it simple. That's what I love about the Jordan 12. Let's get to the outsole. You do have your carbon fiber right here. That's another thing that would have put this shoe over the top, is if you did get that taxi carbon fiber that you get, since the shoe is black and yellow. The carbon fiber that you get on the taxi 12s would have been crazy. But yo, once again, these are so fire in hand. Do I wish that things were different and I could have picked them up? Yes, but at the time they came out, I had a bunch of things I'm saving up for, which the whole virus and pandemic situation is just blowing everything up with where money's going right now. Things are going into different places. Things aren't going into certain places right now. So in hindsight, I probably could have got these with some news that I got recently, but that's another video for another time. If anyone wants to throw your boy a line and hit your boy up and be like, yo, I could get you a pair of these for retail, absolutely let me know, because I'll take you up on that offer if I could get these for retail. But that is it for this video, you guys, man. The Jordan 12 University Gold. Let me get both of them right here. Bang. There it is. You guys can see the Jordan 12 University Gold. Really, really dope shoe. Once again, quality on these is great. Retail, I'm pretty sure they retailed for $190. Let me just make sure. Yeah, retail for $190. You're not going to be able to get them for retail anymore. Sold out right away. Everybody got them. Reselling, like I said, anywhere. I've seen anywhere from like $270 to like upwards of $300. So absolutely get your hands on them now. I don't think this is a shoe where the price will go down. If anything, it'll stay where it is or go up over time, just because, like I said, they did such a good job on these material wise. 12s are tanks. They last forever. They're one of the most comfortable Jordans in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I put them in the top 5 most comfortable Jordan silhouettes. So if you don't have a pair and you're looking to get something a little bit over retail, definitely go ahead and grab them, man. But that is it for this video, guys. I am the anonymous sneakerhead. Yo, if y'all are new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the channel. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We're sitting at 645 right now at the time of me recording this video. Make sure as well that you smash that like button since you made it this far, man. Really helps the channel, helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the channel, helps the video get shown, which could potentially bring more people to the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram. Like I said, you get a lot of information up there first. You would have seen me post about these up there already, but that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.